What's up, folks? Ethan here at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky, and today we're taking a look at a 2023 F-250 Tremor. Now, what I want to talk to you about is why you should consider the XLT Tremor for your 2024 orders. Of course, this truck is here and available for sale. We'll go into that here in a little bit, but as the 2024 order banks are opening up in the next few days, you should really consider taking a look at the XLT version of these Tremors, and here's why. This truck specifically has the XLT Premium package and the Tremor Off-Road package. Now, what that really is going to do is make it much closer to a Lariat Tremor so that you really don't have to jump that far in price. It does have the LED reflector headlights here up front. You only have the halogen headlamps, but you still get the 18-inch wheels with the 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires, about 1.5 inches or 2 inches, give or take, front suspension lift to really improve that ground clearance, as well as the Tremors do also have the shorter front air dam to get you a little bit better approach angle and ground clearance in the front. You do have your off-road running boards, but as you can see here with the XLT Premium package, you're going to get that navigation, the power tow mirrors, the B&O sound system, blind spot, remote start, push button start, 360 camera package, heated seats. So this really does improve these XLTs a lot more. Now, you don't have a power seat here on the side, and you've got cloth seats in the entire truck, but this one does have a power moonroof. Of course, the Tremor package is going to get you the upfitter switches. Now, you do have the 12-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and again, it does have the navigation with that XLT Premium package. There's your heated seats. We'll show you the 360 camera here in a moment. We've seen it before. Of course, you do have the ability to zoom in. Everybody's favorite step. We've been hearing a lot more good things about these steps now that they've been out in the wild and being used a lot more. Still have some people who don't like the look of it. These are the quote-unquote upgraded tail lamps. These are similar to the ones that are in the Lariat trucks, but as you saw, they do have a bulb in there. These are halogen. Not sure. I believe the order guides have been updated to say that the LED tail lamps are going to be on the King Ranch and up. You do have the power tailgate down, not up. The tailgate step back here in the back, LED box lighting, and the box link tie down system here in the back. Coming back around, get your Tremor badge on the side. Here in the back, we do have the lockable partitioned storage, foldable partitioned storage, I believe is what Ford calls it. You just got this handy drawer back here in the back that's actually got a partition. You've actually got a partition here in the middle that you can use, as well as it is lockable. And once you lock the seat down over here in the back, you can't get in that without really kind of doing some damage to it. So it just provides a little bit more security for any items that you don't want people to have easy access to. You know, we do grow up here in the South. Locks only keep honest people honest. Of course, you do have your black fender badge here on the side, but for this one to sticker for just under $70,000 with the 7.3, this is the best value on the F-250 Tremor that you will be able to get. We'll show what the price is on the screen according to the 24 order guides. So now that we've got it on, you can see the screen here. You can tell that A, you've got your all digital productivity screen behind the steering wheel. You do have the lane centering here on the side. There is no adaptive cruise. You're going to have to jump up into the Lariat Ultimate for that. Of course, you've got navigation, and up here at the top you've got your 360 camera system. Of course, you do have the ability to zoom in, take a look at the corners, take a look at the front. We really like how these 360 cameras work. Of course, you've got the ability to check out your bed. Ford's done a great job with these 360 cameras, and it's on this big 12-inch screen. Of course, you do get the electronic locking axle and the improved drive modes. So you let us know what you think about this truck in the comments down below. Again, it is available for sale, but what do you think about the XLT Tremor? With the lower overall cost of this truck, is it a better value rather than going all the way up into the Lariat and the Lariat Ultimate, especially to get around a $6,000 or $7,000 difference in terms of price? And that's without even considering the 6.7 high output, which is going to increase the price by around $12,000 for both trucks. And that's why this is a conversation we've been having with some of our 24 order customers, because it's going to A, help decrease the cost of the truck, and B, it's going to probably help your truck get built a little bit quicker. Again, we don't make many promises in terms of timeline for these trucks, because we've seen over the last few years that those promises don't always come to fruition. But with the less amount of parts, it might be a little bit easier for Ford to produce these XLT Tremors moving forward. So that's about all we've got for you today, folks. Again, we'll link this truck down in the description below, as well as if you have any questions about the 2024 model year, we'll give you a link to our website where you can reach out to us, and we'll be happy to answer any questions. That's about all I've got for you today, folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.